Hello, welcome to CCom channel. This video is about how to install PuTTY on a Windows PC. In this video, I'm using a Windows 10 PC. Open a web browser. Type PuTTY, a free SSH and Telnet client for Windows. Download PuTTY. MSI Windows installer. Follow the instructions on the screen. I would like to add a shortcut on my desktop. Untick the View README file, then hit Finish. That's all. Take care, good luck, and all the best. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.